Picture this. It's Saturday. The house smells like takeout, the kids have on their jerseys, and then there's a knock. And suddenly, one parent is taken away, right before game day. Your phone starts buzzing. Who picks up the kids? What does this mean for custody? How do you keep the routine?
Welcome to Danni's Den. Let's chat. Quick content note. We'll talk about incarceration and family disruption. That can be heavy. If anything here is upsetting, pause and reach out to a local support line or someone you trust.
Here's what you'll walk away with in the next 10 minutes. A short, prioritized checklist for the first hours, microscripts you can use with schools and kids, clear expectations about parental rights, and quick ideas to keep game day rituals alive, even when life goes sideways. Look, an arrest or a short jail stay usually changes logistics more than legal title. It does not automatically erase parental rights. Judges start from the child's best interests and look for who provides everyday stability. In plain terms, they care about who packs lunches Monday morning, who gets them to school, who remembers meds. Here's the immediate prioritized checklist. Use this in the first few hours. 1. Secure the kids' safety and routine. Meals, pickup, meds. 2. Gather paperwork. Birth certificates, any custody orders or parenting plan, school contact forms, recent medical records. 3. Notify the school and regular caregivers with a single trusted contact. 4. Start a dated log of calls, missed visits, and important conversations. 5. Call a family law attorney or legal aid clinic to discuss emergency custody options. If you need a one-line script to tell the school, try this. Hello, my name is your name. I'm calling because child's name needs pickup today. The other parent is unavailable. I am the emergency contact and can be reached at your number. Please release the child to me and note the change in the file. Short, factual, and gives them exactly what they need. And 2 child explanation scripts you can adapt. For ages 4 to 7, someone had to go away for a little while. We are keeping you safe and loved and will stick to our routine. For ages 8 to 12, an adult made a choice that means they can't be with us for a while. You're not to blame. We'll keep your routines and you can still talk to them when the rules allow. Keep it short, honest, and steady. Now on the legal side, there are a few common paths. Emergency custody orders if a child is temporarily without a caregiver, short-term guardianship to a relative, and supervised or virtual contact plans that let the incarcerated parent maintain connection. The exact rules vary by state, but courts everywhere look for safety and day-to-day stability. Here's the important part. Document everything. Dates, times, who talked to whom. Judges love records. A simple dated log. Jan 12, 3:15 p.m., spoke to school admin, agreed pickup. That kind of thing goes a long way if you need temporary orders or later court hearings. If you have an existing parenting plan, bring that to the lawyer first. It shapes the conversation. If you don't, ask a lawyer about short-term orders or guardianship while the parent is detained. Legal aid clinics can help if money's tight. Don't assume help is out of reach. Let's talk about keeping the parent-child bond alive. Phone calls, recorded messages, postcards, and supervised visits when permitted. These are tiny but meaningful. Suggest scheduled phone time to the facility and put it on the family calendar. Those regular check-ins are emotional anchors for kids. Dating and household boundaries, this is where emotions get messy. If you're the primary caregiver thinking about a new relationship, be transparent with serious partners early about family realities before you introduce them to the kids. Slow introductions, and never make a new partner the default person responsible for custody tasks. If you're the partner of someone reentering, expect emotional labor and plan for it. Negotiate who handles logistics, school runs, doctor appointments, and consider short-term supports, a family member or a paid caregiver, so transitions don't fall on one person alone. Now, rituals. Game day is more than a game. It's routine, predictability, belonging. If Dad can't be at the Eagles tailgate, try these swaps. 1. A recorded pregame pep talk the kids hear at kickoff. 2. A designated relative who takes the same food or wears the same hat. 3. A virtual watch party if visitation rules allow live connections. The specifics, same sandwich, same playlist, make the kids feel life stayed familiar. I love this one. A dad who couldn't make the Yankees game recorded, "Root hard, eat the hot dog for me." The kid carried that clip around like a talisman all day. Small stuff matters, and courts notice those small acts because they show a parent is emotionally present. Quick sports note, when a custody evaluator asks who does homework after practice or who handles the weekend routine, those answers reveal structure. Keeping rituals isn't about gaming the system. It's about keeping the child's world steady. Stability helps kids, and it helps your case if a judge must look at custody later. Before I share my music pick, a short legal caveat. This episode gives general information, not legal advice. Every case is fact-specific, and statutes vary. Talk to a family law attorney in your area for advice tailored to your situation. Music pick. A 90s R&B comfort song I turn to is End of the Road by Boyz II Men. It's gentle, full of harmonies that feel like a soft hug. Great for quiet car rides, bedtime, or just a moment when everyone needs to breathe together. Music can close a tense gap between parent and child and remind folks they're still family. Final fast recap. 1. Safety and routine first. 2. Gather documents and start a dated log. 3. Tell the school with a short script and name a single contact. 4. Preserve rituals and connection with recordings or designated helpers. 5. Get legal help to explore emergency custody or guardianship. Short, doable steps. That's the goal. If you need resources, search for a local family law attorney or legal aid clinic. Contact your county social services if you're worried about immediate safety, and lean on trusted family or community supports. If you want me to point you toward general resources, send a message on the show page. I can't provide individual legal counsel on air, but I can help you find options. Thanks for listening to Danni's Den. If this episode helped even a little, please subscribe so you don't miss our weekly mix of law, love, sports, and pop culture. Visit the Legal Assistance Center website or the show page to find links to legal aid and to request a consultation. Let's chat.